Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn off your Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just press and hold the power button at the right side of your smartphone, just like that. Now from here, just select power off and tap on power off. Now it will take a few seconds for your smartphone to completely power off, just like that. And this is how you can turn off your Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.